Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the alternative of Vlookup, that is index and match function. In my previous video I demonstrated the basic function of Vlookup and how to change column index number inside Vlookup using match function. So let's start. Here are some data. In the first column contains the list of fruit, in the second column contains the price, and in the third column it contains the quantity of the count. Now let's say that you want to find out the fruit whose price is $0.55, right? And the problem with VLOOKUP is that the lookup value should be always in the first column, and in this case the lookup value is in second column. So if you do VLOOKUP, let's select this as VLOOKUP value and then select the data, column is first and then false. So if I type $0.55, it shows any error because the lookup value should always in the first column, otherwise it won't show or return the value. So for that purpose we can use index and match function. Index function return a value or the reference to a value within a table on the range of cells. So let's say that you want to check what's in the second row of the second column. So index, then select the array or the table, comma, and it is asking the row number, and the row number is 2, and second column. Okay, so the result is $0.34. So let's say you want to check what's in the fourth column, and the let's say sixth row. Oops, something's wrong. Oh, it's the column. It's the column, and the row number is 6. Yeah, 10. The result is 10. So now to use this function as a VLOOKUP in order to return the value which is on the left side or the first column through a lookup value which is in the second column, we're gonna use the match function. So I'm gonna delete everything again. So index, okay, select the table, so A1 to C10, this is the range of cells, comma, instead of putting row number we're gonna use the match function which will give you the row number. So match tab, now lookup value, this is the lookup value, or whatever cells you select, that totally depends on you. I'm selecting D3, comma, lookup array, that is we want to check the fruit whose price is $0.55 or could be any price. So you have to select that column where the lookup value is, so B2 to B10, comma, and we want the exact match, so 0. Okay, now if I type 0.34, oh, there is something wrong. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. Now there's one more thing in the end, index function. It is asking column number which is in the the data you want is in the first column, so don't forget to put that and close the bracket. Now there you go, $0.34, that is apple. Now if I type 0.59, oh, again mistake, 0.59 oranges, right? Now you can change if you want to check the count, or let's say the lookup value is count, so you can change that too, but you have to change the column number also, I mean inside the match function. That is C2 to C10. There you go. 38. Let's say 38 apple. Okay, so this is how you can use index and max function as a lookup value in order to extract a value which is on the first column or on the left side. So thank you for watching.